My name is Jan Lovanu. So far we have invested in mostly in packaging. Packaging is the most expensive part of the production process. Recently we have purchased a stand-up bag packaging machine which allows us to introduce this kind of packaging on the market. This is the first time we packed this product into the stand-up bag. The machine was manufactured by WeighPack, a Canadian company. Now we finally are able to pack it right here in our plant, so that makes me very happy. On this machinery we can do standard pouches in different sizes. We can use resealable pouches or non-resealable pouches. For this particular bag we use 3.5 mil poly-based laminated film. It's a very flexible type of packaging, as we can print online the date codes, also the ingredients, and we can change products very quickly. Yes, we have purchased the Swifty Bagger. We do like this machine because it gives us the best price performance ratio. Also, we have integrated an inline printer applicator, which allows us a very quick changeover of products. At the top we have the PrimoCombi scale, also supplied by WeighPack. This is basically the trend in flexible packaging right now. And of course, for a lot of reasons. It takes up less space on the shelf. Also, it offers resealable capabilities. It took us a while to decide on which machine to go with, which supplier to go with. We have seen WeighPack at a few trade shows. We did like the quality of the machine, the workmanship. Also, we liked their approach, their sales approach. Also, we like the price. Great bag, great product, great bag. I love it.